Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial security and wealth accumulation? If so, this video is perfect for you. In just 5 clear and actionable steps, we will guide you through the process of building wealth, starting with increasing your income and achieving financial freedom, all the way to realizing true riches. Our video is designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools necessary to begin your journey towards financial freedom and wealth accumulation. Welcome to our video on 5 Steps to Riches in 10 Years. We understand that building wealth can seem overwhelming and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can achieve financial success. That's why we've broken down the process into 5 essential steps that are easy to understand and implement. Our video aims to provide a comprehensive and practical guide to achieving financial success and building wealth in just 10 years. By following these 5 steps, you can lay a solid foundation for financial security and enjoy the benefits of true wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and embark on a journey towards financial freedom and wealth, join our channel and watch the video to the end. Together, we'll explore the key steps to achieving financial success and creating a prosperous future. The first essential step: financial stability. Achieving financial stability is crucial in building wealth and securing your future. It means having enough money to cover your basic needs, pay off debts, and save for emergencies. To achieve financial stability, there are 3 key points to focus on. First, it's important to have active income. This means earning money through your job or business. To achieve active income, you can explore opportunities for career growth or start a side hustle. Second, increasing your active income is crucial in achieving financial stability. This could mean negotiating a raise, taking on more work, or finding a higher-paying job. And finally, saving is essential in achieving financial stability. By creating a budget and setting aside money for emergency funds and long-term goals, you can ensure that you're prepared for any financial setbacks. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into strategies for achieving financial stability. We'll explore ways to increase your active income, tips for saving effectively, and more. If you have achieved financial stability, it's time to move on to the second essential step: financial protection. Financial protection means having a safety net to fall back on in case of unexpected events like job loss, illness, or emergency expenses. Here are 2 key points to focus on. First, it's important to create a savings buffer that would be enough to cover your living expenses for at least 1 year if you were to lose your job. This might seem like a lot, but having this cushion can provide you with a sense of security and confidence in your financial future. To calculate how much you need to save for this buffer, start by tracking your monthly expenses and multiplying that by 12. This will give you a rough estimate of the amount you need to save to cover your basic needs for a year. For example, if your monthly expenses are $1,000, you would need to save $12,000 to cover 1 year of living expenses. Second, it's important to have a plan in place for unexpected expenses. This could mean setting aside money for emergency funds or purchasing insurance to cover unforeseen medical or property-related costs. By focusing on financial protection, you can prepare for the unexpected and ensure that you're on track towards achieving long-term financial success. For this step, you need about 1 to 2 years. And we will discuss more detailed strategies for achieving financial protection in one of the next videos on our channel. If you have achieved financial protection, now it's time to move on to the third step: financial security. Financial security means having enough passive income to cover your basic monthly expenses, even if you were to lose your active income stream. Here are the key points to focus on. First, continue to maintain the habits from the first 2 steps, including increasing your active income, creating a savings buffer, and having a plan for unexpected expenses. Second, focus on building passive income streams. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a business that generates recurring revenue. The goal is to create enough passive income to cover your basic living expenses, such as housing, food, and utilities. Once you achieve this, you'll have the freedom to pursue your passions and goals without the fear of financial insecurity. To get started, you can explore different investment options and seek the guidance of a financial advisor. It's important to remember that building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. To achieve this level, we predict a time of 3 to 5 years from the achievement of the first step. We will deal more deeply with this topic and strategies for achieving financial security and building passive income in subsequent videos. If you have achieved financial security, it's time to move on to the fourth step, financial freedom. Financial freedom means that your money is working for you, and you no longer have to work for money. You have enough passive income to cover all of your expenses, and you have reached your financial independence number, FIN. The FIN is the amount of money you need to have invested to generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses indefinitely. To calculate your FIN, you'll need to know your annual living expenses and your expected rate of return on your investments. Once you know your FIN, you'll have a clear goal to work towards, and you can adjust your investment strategies accordingly. While reaching financial freedom may seem like a lofty goal, it's achievable with the right mindset, discipline, and focus. You'll need to continue to invest in passive income streams and businesses, diversify your portfolio, and manage your investments wisely. Once you achieve financial freedom, you'll have the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and spend time with your loved ones without the constraints of a traditional job. For the achievement of this step, we foresee a time of 5 to 8 years, and we hope even sooner. This step will definitely change your life and is worth waiting for. In one of the next videos, we will explain what FIN is, and we will also deal with strategies for achieving financial freedom, including investing in real estate, creating digital products, and building a business. We'll also share tips for managing your investments and maximizing your passive income streams. And finally, the last step 5, financial wealth. At this stage, you've already achieved financial freedom, and your passive income streams are generating enough money to cover all of your expenses. You've continued to invest in passive income streams and businesses, and your investments have paid off. Financial wealth means that you have accumulated significant assets and have a substantial net worth. A significant portion of your investments has been returned, and you're enjoying a luxurious lifestyle that includes travel, fine dining, and other luxuries. At this point, you can consider building a legacy, which means creating wealth for your descendants and future generations. You can also consider philanthropy, which involves giving back to society through donations and other forms of support. Another aspect of financial wealth is investing in new and significant businesses and corporations that have the potential for high returns. You'll need to continue to manage your investments carefully, taking calculated risks, and diversifying your portfolio to ensure continued growth. Overall, achieving financial wealth requires discipline, focus, and the right mindset. It's important to remember that wealth is not just about accumulating assets and living a luxurious lifestyle. It's about creating a lasting impact and using your wealth to make a positive difference in the world. So, if you are ready to take control of your finances and embark on a journey towards financial freedom and wealth, join our channel and watch the next videos we have prepared for you. Together, we'll explore the key steps to achieving financial success and creating a prosperous future. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video on financial stability in our series on 5 steps to riches.